Hello everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, Bitcoin versus US dollar and dollar index. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So what we have here is the daily time frame of the pound dollar, and as alerted in previous updates, we have potential for this fake breakout. We can see here that market broke the key support at 1.2600 like 3 trading days ago, but there was a reaction from buyers immediately the very next day. Market rallied and then had a follow through yesterday, which is a very good sign for the further higher prices. And the upside objective will be probably around the middle of this consolidation zone, 1.2700. And there will be a bigger rally, so there is also a chance for 1.2750 to be on the test in this key resistance area. So that's a likely scenario to develop in the next period. Now, if we go to the hourly time frame, we can see that market is building more like a symmetrical triangle, more like a consolidation contraction at this point. So the eventual breakout of the 1.2645 area can be a good sign and good confirmation for the rally towards 1.2700 mark. Of course, if we see some bigger downside move and follow it by a weak rally and so, then there is a chance for the market to continue to trade the downside, and then in that example the downside objective will be around 1.2570 mark. So far market is just building contraction consolidation, and the upside scenario is most likely based on development and this potential fake breakout for the sellers, and there will be a lot of sellers who got trapped based on this downside breakout. Now, speaking of the gold market, we can see that there is a very little action last, I will say last 1 month. With the key, we have the trading range. Market is trading between the 2062 and support around 2000 mark. So I will really like market is trading in the middle of this range. I would like to see the breakout and hold. So 2000 mark, if we can break and hold below, there will be a chance for the further downside movement eventually towards the 1938. But from the other side, if we can see the upside breakout above the 2068 and hold above, there is a chance for the test of the pin bar 21, let's say 2100, 2125. Of course, there will be options also potentially for the fake breakouts on the other side, but at least we need to see initial breakout for the bigger structure to be in the play. Speaking of the crude oil, we can see that last 2 days market is trying and market is rallying in the last 2 trading days, but still overall is trading in one big consolidation, resistance around 79.80, and we have support around 71.35 all the way down to the 68.20 mark. So can this fully reject to retest the high again around 78.93? Yeah, that's a possible scenario if we go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, we have more like a channeling mode, and market is rising, but more in a defined upside channel. And as long as this is in this upside channel, market can go higher. If we can break 74.40 and hold above, then there is a chance for the even larger rally towards the 76.75. In case of the downside breakout of the 73 mark and hold below, there is a chance for the retest of 71.30 mark. Now, speaking of the Bitcoin, we had actually breakout to the upside. So we spoke about this consolidation in the last, I will say 10 days, and there was a breakout yesterday, and so far market is having the follow through. So the upside objective based on this breakout is around 46,500 mark. You can see also on the hourly that market really, the momentum really increased, and then there was a pullback. You can see on the 30-minute time frame. So very natural reaction, like more like a flag, bull flag, and there is a potential for the higher prices, as I said, even towards the 46,500. Of course, there will be some kind of the bigger a selling tail and some rejection back into the 43,850 mark there. And there will be also fake breakout potential and rotation back towards the 42,700 mark, but so far market is holding well and seems like there is a chance for the higher prices. Now, speaking of the dollar index, we can see here that we had a very narrow day yesterday. So far, the resistance at 104.50 is important pivot to watch. Can the market trade higher? Retest that high. If we can retest the high, re-break 104.65 and hold above, there is a chance for retest of 105.97. From other side, if market can trade below, let's say 103.60 area, then there is a chance for the lower prices eventually even towards the 102.94. That'll be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day and speak to you from tomorrow morning.